Why are you checking on people who doesn't check on you, calling them every time, but you didn't see their call or missed the call on your phone, or they are calling you? So sometimes you have to take care of yourself first than you are taking care of people who doesn't care about you. So sometimes when you saw a person is not visiting you, don't visit those people. Maybe you visit them maybe twice, but a third time don't visit them because they don't care about you. You are always forcing yourself on people who doesn't want you, even on their group, but you are the one who is always forcing. So sometimes don't force things. If people they show you the red flags that they don't want you, even people they don't call you or check on you, maybe you tell them that you are not okay, or you tell your partner that you are not okay, that person is not checking on you or call you to ask you how are you, you are okay or what, that person doesn't care. Why are you forcing them? Why are you forcing yourself on them? So sometimes you have to take care of yourself, guys. Check on people who checks on you than to check people who doesn't care. Other people, guys, they don't care about you, and you cares about them. Even in relationship, care about a person who cares about you. When you are telling a person that you have got a problem, that person can't beg to you, and you are the one who call them again. And guys, you are preferring that maybe they are going to ask you how are you, because last time you are not okay, what they don't care, those people, you understand? Or they can say, I forgot that you told me that you are not okay. They forgot, you forgot that person, you understand? So sometimes we have to be careful when we are in a relationship, because sometimes you can be in a relationship alone, that person is not on you, they are not on you. So sometimes, so guys, we have to take care of yourself first than to take care of other people. That person maybe is not okay, you can always check on that person, but when it comes to you, that person don't care even to ask you or what, they don't care. So sometimes take care of yourself. And when they are used that you are the one who check on them, and now you stop check on them, calling them, they can get upset that why are you not checking on me? Other people, they are very selfish. They want you to check on them, but they don't care about you. You understand? They don't care about how you feel, you are okay or what. Other people, they are very selfish in this world.